Hi, my name is Kim. I work with the MintBiology social media team, and I just ordered one of each of their products because I want to try them out for myself and I really want to see how they feel, how they work, and also the results I'm going to get. So I bought this KOA Massage Tool on Amazon about 2 or 3 years ago, and I honestly love it. Like, I use it pretty often. I'm actually like I love all things body work and body tools and massage and all kinds of therapy related stuff. So I have a lot of different devices, like a lot. This one is probably my favorite. It's really versatile. You can use it anytime, anywhere. You can travel with it. It doesn't break. It's non-toxic. It's BPA free. You can use it over clothes. You can use it on bare skin with oil. I use it all the time at the gym, like between sets. What it does, it basically relaxes and decompresses tense tissue. So that's the kind of thing that causes pain and dysfunction and inflammation. When you do something like a massage, it helps stimulate blood flow, it helps relax the tissue, and it helps essentially rejuvenate and revitalize it. So again, this is like my go-to. I use it all the time, pretty much everywhere, and I love it. So I have not used their other products. This is my very first time even seeing them in real life. So I ordered one of everything, and I'm gonna do a little unboxing video here just to show you what they are and how they work. Tank decided to join us today. So this is the KOA Massage Tool. I believe this is the original. It's a handheld tool. It's got a no slip grip here. It's super easy to use. There's also these little trigger point knobs here. So when you have like a deeper adhesion, it's really great for getting in there and releasing tension and tightness. I promise you it works like right away. Like, a lot of people are like, how quickly do I get results? It depends what you're going for. Like, everybody's different. That's a really hard question. But the point is, when you use it, you literally feel it right away. So like, if your wrist hurts and you do this for a few minutes, you will feel a difference. If you use it consistently, you should notice a continual difference and improvement in the way your body feels and the way you move and your flexibility. You can literally feel the difference with like stretching before and then using it and stretching after. You can feel the difference in flexibility and range of motion. So first things first, it's amazing and it works. This one I'm excited about is basically the bigger version of it, so you can use it on your whole body. This is a very cool box, by the way. Okay, so I'm gonna check this out because I have not seen it in person, but it's basically 3 of these that are connected, but they don't come apart, and it has a little knobs on each side. This is very cool. So it has the no slip grip again. Oh, that's actually very cool. There's something about the difference in the leverage you get with this that makes it feel a little bit different. Like, you can probably apply a little bit more pressure if you wanted, but you can also definitely get to some hard to reach areas in a better way than you could with the little guy. Oh, it feels so good right there. Excuse me while I treat myself. So I really like how this feels so far. So I'm excited to use this like in the sauna, in the shower. This is probably something I would throw in my gym bag or like my carry-on when I travel. This is something I would definitely use all the time at home. Oh, lower back, yes, please. Oh, there it is. This makes me very happy. I'm like such a fan of all things body work. So I'm very excited to use this and show you guys how I use it. There's a lot of different techniques, so we are gonna have fun with this guy. Oh, I'm literally like, so many ideas are coming to mind. Like, I want to lay on it, I want to put it on my back. Like, okay, for later. So now this guy is the little tiny one. So this one is more like the little detail refining tool. It is also platinum. Oh, it's heavy in a good way. Like, it's legit. It's solid. So this one is a different design, but a similar concept, just much smaller. So this is the KOA Elite, but the tiny guy. This is platinum. What's really exciting about this one is that you can put it in the freezer and do like a cold therapy treatment. So first of all, you can use it in the same way where you can massage everything. It's much more intricate. So for like little detailed areas, for little bony joints and things like that. Oh, that feels good. Okay, this feels really awesome. So when I said it's heavy, like, it feels solid. It doesn't feel like plastic. It's not as light. It's definitely not as light, but it's not heavy. It doesn't feel heavy and it doesn't feel like cumbersome and annoying. The grip is also really cool because it has the smooth edge here and then it has like a little finger hold here. So the grip is actually really ergonomic, like really easy to use. Ooh, I like this. And also like the thumb leverage. I'm into it. Okay, so the other thing you can do with this smooth edge, it's also like a gua sha tool. So basically you can apply pressure on the side. This is something I would actually want to use on my face, but I'd want to like wash my face first. But you can essentially get some really nice like long strokes with this to basically smooth it out. Again, it's also decompressing the tissue, it's relaxing. It's the same method of basically improving your overall health and your blood flow and your connective tissue and your muscles and feeling better, but it's got some really cool stuff that I'm excited to try. So I'm excited about this little guy. It looks very cool. Tanky, you want to see this one? Yeah, you can try it. Oh. Do you like that? Tanky's also really loves massages. Yeah, oh, that's good stuff, huh? I don't know if I want you to use this one though, because this one's for me. I'm really excited to try it cold because that's like a whole new experience. So I will keep you posted on that and let you know. Okay, Tanky, should we look at some of these? This one's actually I'm really excited about. Hi, baby. This one is called the VLift. So it's like, not super sure how to explain it yet, but it's basically like a cleansing brush tool. It's also like a massage for your face that lifts and rejuvenates, and it's also good for applying cleansers and products. Basically, the concept is that your hands have a lot of germs and bacteria for one, so rubbing in product is probably not always that good of an idea. But the other thing is that it has this patented technology that basically does these cool things that helps you not age so harshly. We'll find out. Okay, so in the box, we have a qualified certificate, a product registration, information. This is a little manual that I will definitely be reading in terms of how to use it, how to charge it. It shows how to move in upwards positions in the basic direction you're gonna wanna go. So it's a VLift contouring device, and it's also a cleansing and massaging device. And then it uses this technology called Sonic, which is basically a vibration technology that helps stimulate, from what I understand, it helps stimulate basically the nutrients in your skin to basically help you glow and hydrate and have better skin. But it also has this internal benefit. So I want to understand this more, but I'm just going to start by trying it because why not? Oh, so this is so cute. It looks like a little toy. This is so cute. It's so cute. It looks like little pigtails. Okay, so it's adorable. This is like a little stand for it, and then it comes with a USB charger. I'm gonna need to charge this first, but the idea is that you can use it as like a lifting. You can use these little bristles to apply cleanser and moisturizer, and then it's apparently like a massage, so I'm really excited to try this. So look how cute it is though. That's so cute. Okay, next. So they have 3 different types of masks, and I will be trying them all tonight, or at least this weekend. So this is a nourishing mask, a rejuvenating mask, and a collagen eye mask treatment. This one, I'm excited. It has like a nano-active gold hydraulic acid treatment. So it's for under your eyes, and it basically just helps you look amazing. So these are eye treatment masks. They are 24 karat pure nano-active gold hydraulic acid. So these are under eye rejuvenating masks. I'm really excited to try them because they look really cool, and I was like, oh, that's pretty, they're gold. But when I read about it on the website, the gold actually helps with nutrient delivery. Like the gold actually has a benefit, it doesn't just look pretty, it's actually like a whole thing that helps. So again, I want to wash my face and try these on, but these look really cool. Oh, you're supposed to refrigerate them 30 minutes to 1 hour before using them. So I'm going to refrigerate them. I'll use it tonight, so I will keep you posted on this. Very cool though. They look yummy too. They actually look amazing. It's like a glistening, it's not glittery, but it's like a legit gold look. Like that is gorgeous. So eye masks for later. Now we have the rejuvenating mask, which plumps and lifts, and the nourishing mask, which drenches and smooths. So this is exciting. So honestly, full disclosure, I'm a super minimalist when it comes to beauty and like skincare. Like I do not have a skincare routine yet. So one of the things that I'm excited about with these products is that they're super easy to use, and it's like a it accomplishes a lot of things with one product. You don't have to have like a 20-step beauty routine because like I ain't got time for that. But the other thing, I am very conscious about what I put in my body and on my body. Your skin is your largest organ, and you don't want to put toxic things that are not good for you on your skin. Rule of thumb, okay? That is my belief. So when I was looking at the ingredients and like, what are these products? What do they do? I was really excited that they're totally clean beauty products. Like every single ingredient is not only like good for you, but it's like specifically awesome. Like it's specifically not only non-toxic and no harsh chemicals, which not most beauty products can say, but they're specifically like science-based ingredients that really do things effectively. So for those who don't know, the Korean beauty methods are like, they are the masters of skincare, okay? So basically just do what they say. No, but for real, but like the ancient traditions and the types of ingredients and the types of nutrients that they incorporate into these products are amazing. So I'm no skincare expert, and like I said, I don't even really like pamper my skin the way I probably should at my age. However, I'm excited to use these because they're very easy and they're very efficient. One product does a lot of things. So the general directions, you literally just put it on your face, relax and enjoy for 15 to 30 minutes, remove and massage in remaining serums. Suggested use 3 to 4 times a week to maintain best results. So I will be using this tonight and taking some very awesome photos with this mask, so I'll let you know how that goes. So this is the rejuvenating one. This one is the nourishing one. My skin could definitely use some of that. It's a little dry right now. So this one, same concept. So it's super easy to use. So again, I just love that I don't have to like think about a whole 20-step routine because that's just not something I'm gonna do very often. So these are all the products that I'm excited to try. I'm probably most excited about these tools just because I'm a total fan of bodywork and it's like a thing that I already love. The skincare stuff, I'm excited to try it. I'm really excited about this little guy because again, it incorporates skincare with massage and then also like anti-aging and lifting. So like what's not to love, right? Also, it's just adorable and that's just very cute. So it's a very advanced technology. Like it's a simple product to use, but the technology and what it's doing is like a whole thing. So this is probably gonna be my new favorite. We'll see. So I will keep you guys posted. I'll take some pictures and videos as I'm using these products. If you guys have questions about like, how does this work or what does this do? Let's find out together because like I said, I'm not a skincare expert. I'm excited to learn a lot about these products and mostly I'm excited to show you guys the results and the kinds of experiences that I have with these products, like best practices, how to use them, when to use them. I'm also going to be taking them to some experts because I want their opinion about what are these ingredients and tell me about them and what's behind them. I'm that kind of nerd who really wants to know like everything about everything and how it works. So I'm excited to take you with me on this journey, and mostly I'm just excited to be using these products because anti-aging, like why would you not? So I love this design. I love the quality. Like I love everything about the detail and everything that goes into every single ingredient and sourcing and method. Like it's really all about not only natural, but specifically like very good for you and good for the planet. So excited to show you guys more and stay tuned.